welcome back to another home decor vlog. I know y'all already saw the title. You are excited. You are here for the Temu furniture. Yes, honey. We are doing another Temu furniture review, y'all. We have a new coffee table. Now let me just go ahead and show you guys really quick the coffee table that we picked up off Temu off to the side. You guys, it is very nice, okay? I felt like that coffee table there gave our living room like the perfect aesthetic that we needed. And the fact that it is shaped differently, we didn't want anything like the traditional like rectangle or square or round. We really wanted something that would fit perfectly into our space here. So we went ahead, picked it up, you guys, and I am super excited to get into it. It is here. I'm hoping it's not too big. Per the pictures that we saw on the website, it didn't look that big, so I'm hoping that it's not. Y'all, it looks so pretty. Girl, someone's trying to fly my drink or something, child. I was ready to pop, 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 pop. Okay. Anyway, girl, yes, honey, let's go ahead and hop right into this apartment update video and, yeah, get into this unboxing.
I don't know what the picture looks like, but I'm gonna assume it's something like this.
It didn't come with directions, babe?
No.
Let me check the box. Y'all, this was super easy. Literally just a few pieces out the box and voila. It did not even take maybe 10 minutes to do this. Okay, you guys, so another piece of furniture in this Temu furniture review, you guys, is this amazing Credenza. We picked this up off of Temu and I am in love. Now, we wanted something a little different in regards to the entry space when you walk into our home. So we decided to go with like a chair credenza setup. We wanted a place to display our amazing crystal, have a little bit of candle lighting because we love low lighting in our home. As you guys could probably tell from these lights as well, you guys, we picked these up off of Temu also, and I love those. If you are looking for spot lighting in your home, we have literally had those for probably almost a year, and all you have to do is replace the batteries for them, and I love it. We don't use them that often, so I don't have to replace the batteries that often in them, so I love that. Another reason why I love this Credenza, you guys, is because it does offer storage on the inside, so you can pretty much put anything you want in here, right? For us, we decided to make it like a nice bar area, and so we do keep all of our nice champagne, wine, martini glasses, everything like that, and also shot glasses that we picked up from all sorts of different cities. Love that. Well, should I say states? Cities too. We do have some from like Orlando and Vegas, stuff like that. So something else that we have in this credenza is a lot of vintage thrifted glass pieces, and a lot of these are for like brunch. When I want to do something cutesy for babe, you know, we could set it up on there, which we need to set something like that up coming up because I feel like that will be very cute. We chose to go with just a nice black and racking credenza because we wanted something that had like a mid-century aesthetic. You guys saw the table that I showed you guys earlier that's in the living room. This is also in the living room area. If you're new to my channel, you didn't know that, but if you've been here at Boo, then you've seen my whole apartment like makeover situation. And since we did get the new Temu coffee table, I thought I would show you guys other Temu furniture that we have as well, that we still have, should I say, because we have gotten so many pieces off of Temu. But anywho, this credenza is definitely something that you are probably going to want to add to your home because it is multifunctional. You can use it in your entryway, you can use it in your bedroom, you can use it in your bathroom, like so many different ways that you can style this credenza, and I just absolutely love it for our home. You guys, we have had this for probably almost 9 months at this point, and I absolutely love it. I use it for any like storage in regards to clothes that I'm currently wearing. So all of like my summertime pieces, halter tops, all of the tops that I'm currently wearing and things like that are in this section of it. This right here is where I keep all of like my sunglasses, my sunnies, and my everyday handbags that I tend to gravitate towards quite often actually. So all of those are in here. I mean, I have handbags that I even got from Temu as well in here, and then just clothes that I tend to gravitate towards that I throw on often. I kind of just put them in here really quick in case I need to like run outside, grab some packages or something like that. This part right here is where I keep all of my jeans. It's a bit messy. It's a bit messy right now because why are these not folded? But yeah, you guys, this wardrobe has really come in handy. We actually have 2 of them in our bedroom. We build up a like a closet wall. Girl, get out of my hair. Oh my God. But we built up a closet wall. We wanted something that offered elegance. We wanted something that looked high end as well. We didn't want like the regular I guess wardrobers that you all may see, or little wardrobe closets that's opened. I wanted something that had doors on it. To me, that gives like a higher end. So if you are looking for a way to upgrade your closet or your closet wall, or maybe you have a room that you have like an extra closet for, you know, you have like just your things in there, but you maybe have them on like hangers or not hangers, but what is it, like the clothing racks and things like that. Girl, go get these. These are amazing. And they have it to where you can set it up with two of these, like two racks, and then just a storage at the bottom, so you can get them multiple ways. Love that down. And then at the bottom down here, I just keep all of my high-end luxury handbags down here. So like my Dior, my LV bags, and also like vintage Michael Kors bags that I have as well, or down here also. And it also looks like I keep my hosiery, honey, all of my pantyhose and fishnets, honey. I keep that stuff down in there too. But I wanted to mention this wardrober that I picked up from Temu because I do get a lot of questions about it. A lot of people are like, is it still any good? Is it still, you know, how does it work, honey? It has been packed like this for at least 8 to 9 months, okay? So that's how good it's doing. And my wife has hers over here, and hers pretty much is just like mine, except one section she has nothing but denim jeans, and she probably has at least 20 pair in there, okay? And then she has her clothes hanging up as well. So yeah, y'all, this has really come in handy. Also, if you want to use this wardrobe in another part of your house, you can get it to where it has all of these, and you can put like your crystal or, you know, other home decor items that you want to kind of keep behind like a glass cabinet. This is perfect for that, because at first when we put them together and it was in the living room and I saw it, I was like, oh, this would be really nice just in the living room, in your bathroom, so you can use it in multiple areas. So it's definitely a staple piece and something that I do plan on keeping for a very long time, that we picked up from Temu as well. Okay, you guys, this is the last piece in this home decor haul. Just one more glance at that table, you guys. It is stunning, okay? But we did pick up this fireplace from Temu as well. I made a video regarding this Temu fireplace like months ago, and I do get several questions still regarding this fireplace, you guys. Just take a look at it. It is stunning, okay? I absolutely love this fireplace. I feel like it's functional because as you can see, it does have 2 drawers on it. Also, you can change the color of the lights and also of the fireplace, which I feel like that's a really nice aesthetic to have in case you want to do something different, you know, have a little party and you just want something different in your home. But you guys, that is going to be the end of this home decor haul. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed the Temu furniture video. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next home decor haul. Love y'all. Bye.